Did you know that with the Copilot in Word you can modify and make the documents also more visual? It doesn't have to be always creating you new text, but you can make the text look a different kind than before. This is the old document which I created in one of my old videos. It is the rubric for 10th grade students, and in here I'm gonna be showing you how to make it looking a totally different kind of a document. I will ask the Copilot to make it more visual and make it that kind of a document that maybe 10th grade student would be more willing to read the documentation and would be more visual for the students. I ask also to add pictures on that one, this kind of a small good and bad things. So it's gonna be more easier maybe for some of the students to read it. And again, this is something that some users might be liking this one and some might not be liking, but you can make many different kind of versions also with the Copilot on the same thing. You can say that do not change the text, but make it only more visual. So then you know that it's only focused on the effects on the text. You can see all the time what is it doing and how it's progressing. So you can all the time follow that if it's gonna be looking that kind of document that you would say that it's good. At least for me, it's looking already quite a lot better and easier to read it. And now you can see that it's also almost done. There's still a few things to do. And when it's finished, you can see all the documents and also how to use the document in the future. So it creates you also these instructions on end of it. And what's the meaning of all of the things. And now the document is done, and now you can share it again to the students, and hopefully this was useful for you also.